All right, Halloween Dad here. 3, 4, part 3. Kind of lose track. All right, so we got more of the haunted house done. I don't know how much you'll be able to see when we go in here, but I got the wall up now here. Still trying to keep the laundry room open, but so far I got that wall up. Just really taking a corner over there. Like I said, I don't know how much you're going to be able to see when I come in here, but got that there. Come around the corner. We're still going through. I basically just running it up to the ceiling. You can see the board here that I popped up. Should have went on the inside of it, but at night you're not going to see it, and maybe I'll just put something in front of it. So coming around through this way. In the last video I was working on this, and I put that wall up and got all the their suitcases behind there, a couple air conditioners, exercise equipment. So that goes all the way down. I stopped for now and ran it onto this wall. That goes all the way around. There's nothing right there. There's no 4x4s like I put on the other ones, but it hangs down. I mean, you can't even really tell it. It looks like it's just taking a corner. So behind there is the whole storage unit that we have. You can see that there. So basically, I'm just going on the rafters, really, up top here, and kind of tacking it just to the rafters that are going across with my staple gun, which has been giving me a little bit of issues, but just take my time and it working good enough for now. I'm gonna cut a hole in here because we have that like 3x3 opening there that goes into a 6-foot runoff for the groundwater that goes underneath. So we had to cut a hole in there so we'd have airflow so it wouldn't get all mildewy and build up moisture in there and kill the floorboards like I did last time. So really it's like a black pit through the wall. So I put a couple caution, do not enter, crime scene tape on it, crossed over that, and I'll probably put some light, but I want to cut like a hole, a square right here, so when you come around the corner I'll probably have some kind of light in there, so when you come by this you'll see that in there, and that'll be something a little different in there. So working my way into the craft room, more like the crap room right now because I can hardly get in there. That's going to be the biggest challenge, trying to clean up all that enough so people can actually go through there. And in there is where I'm also going to be doing the botched surgery room. So that's going to be a little difficult to clean up, but I'm going to get together the rest of the plastic and do the walls up here, and then after that is where I'll go and I'll start putting up the rest of the decorations and blacklight and webbing and things like that for the rest of it. But right now, that's part 3.